Alright, just got the engine from JDM Chicago in Franklin Park. It's a 1JZ VVTi. It's got about 60,000 miles on it. Super clean. Yeah, super excited to get this going. We're just gonna unload it here and it'll be all good to start being worked on. Process begin.
Spin motor. Hold it.
You got it. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, see the hub was stuck right there.
Sweet.
So this vacuum line goes to this valve, and then this that goes to here. So this is some type of emission bullshit stuff here.
Like a sensor.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't need to pass emissions.
And then this is your fuel line up.
This one?
Yeah. So this one here is a water line, that throttle body.
Yep.
And then this one's a throttle body too that goes right back into the block, or the cylinder head, I should say. See, because these are all put together here. These all come up in one piece. Looks pretty damn good to me, sir. Nice.
All right, so the plan is today to take off the intake manifold. We just took off all the lines from on this side. And yeah. All right. Got this off. I'm just gonna set it right here for now. Oh yeah. This is super brittle. Good thing we're doing this. I'm gonna start unbolting the intake for the turbo. Just gotta take this clamp off. And it looks like there's one bolt right there, one bolt over there, and then I think I gotta take this off. Alright, took the intake manifold off for the turbo. I'm taking the heat shield off. Where'd the one bolt go right here? Thank you, sir.
Clear out a spot on the...
That's what I need. I need the exhaust manifold gaskets. There's two.
Yes.
On the turbo, I need, what is this gasket?
I don't know what the specific name is, but then you need this one here.
This one.
And
This is the intake. And then we'll keep that. We'll take this one. And then...
Then you're going to need an oil cooler or an oil filter adapter housing gasket that goes between the block and here. Then you're going to need this.
I already got these two.
Okay, that one, then the outer one.
Yeah.
Cam cover.
Valve cover gasket.
Water pump gasket. Might come with a water pump. So what we're doing here is we're getting to top dead center compression stroke.
God.
This is how you time everything up. What you do is you rotate it until you feel some pressure on your finger. Right there, that was an intake stroke. Okay, that's compression.
How much pressure are you trying to feel the most?
Just a little bit. Then you come up to here, 0.
Oh, and then you ended up with 0?
Yep, and that is top dead center compression stroke. And that way, now we can take this off and figure out how to time these. Oh, see, these are pointing up.
Oh yeah.
With that mark, and that's at 0.
Gotcha. Alright, so today we're gonna clean up all these valves here. We marked the ones in yellow that were kind of leaking here. This is the exhaust side, so there's a ton of buildup on them. So we're just gonna grind them down over here, get them all nice and clean, and then go from there. Hopefully it should be good. Alright, so we just got these cleaned up here. You can see that they're actually really nice and clean now after taking them on the little wheel there. A lot better. Let's see. So we got this disassembled. We got a valve leak coming out of a few, that's why we're doing all this. And then after this, hopefully it should be good. Alright, so we just put the lower oil pan on, torqued this to 79 inch-pounds as well. We're gonna flip this thing back over and hopefully put the head back on. I didn't really film today, but what we got here is the timing belt reinstalled. This was kind of tricky. We got these lined up, and this one was a little bit off to the left when we installed it, but then when we put the tensioner back on and we twisted it and we did one cycle, it ended up lining up. So everything's lined up. You got the marks. All right, right now I'm just going to put these in, or I just put these in, put a little bit of oil on this side to fit them in nicely. And then I'm gonna bolt this up here. Once that's on, I'll put on the manifold and then see where we stand. It's been a while since I made a video. I forgot my GoPro the last 3 times I was here. So last time I got the exhaust side pretty much done. I put on these, their excessive mount, the company's excessive mount, I believe. Yeah, and I got their engine mounts installed. It was pretty tricky. There was a little spot right here for the oil return line for the turbo. I had to bend it a little bit. I should have notched up in here a little bit, but didn't do that. Didn't want to go through that, so I just kind of bent this a little bit. That's fine. Then got the alternator. Let's see over here. Did this side. This side was fairly easy. Should have just done this before I put the oil pump on there. But yeah, learn as you go, I guess. I put the blow-off valve on, painted that also, match everything, because that would have looked pretty shitty. Connected all the hoses, got the hose under here. I just got to figure out where this goes. Actually, I think it goes right there, to be honest. And then, yeah, next time, shit, I don't even know what's gonna happen next time. This thing's almost ready to go in. I know the next big step is to take this off the stand, connect to the trans and everything, make sure my adapters that I got work, and then rip out the old engine from the car, feed the harness, which is under here right now, through the firewall, and then after that, we can put the engine in. It's crazy that we're already at this point. Luckily, because of the quarantine and stuff, I get to work on it a lot more. Can't wait to see this thing actually go in.